let's take a look at and review one of your projects. This one is by Zack Studios. Let's see what they have built. If you want to submit your game, go to codenerd.io, click submit your game, fill out this form. We just need a link to your project, an email address so we can send you the video of you being featured, and then some notes about your game, whether it's a work in progress, motivations behind it, or just saying hi. That is totally fine as well. But let's dive into this game and let's see what Zack has been building. I love the spawn location. Look how good that looks with the beam of light coming around me, surface light on the part on the bottom. That is awesome. Purple trees? What? That is so cool. And they're like squiggly and wiggly, kind of adding some theming to your studio here or your live. Oh yeah, we got an arena. This is a music arena. Check out this stage. That looks so good. Look, got little points that the musician can come out here, kind of play to the audience that's around them, kind of mix it up. We got a gigantic screen up there, and we could turn that into an actual screen. Sign up for codenerd.io. You can get involved in that, and we have actual professional game developers that can show you how to make that an actual video screen. Really, really cool. Oh, I love the background here, the actual stage part of the stage. You've got your DJ laptop right here. We got DJ Oki up here. We've got a nice little podium back here. I would have loved to see a similar spotlight treatment on this one that we saw back in the background where we spawned. I think that'd be really cool. And then I think change the day-night cycle to be at night and then add lights all around the scene, add spotlights coming in, add all of that would really spice this up, but you have great foundation here. And if you want to know how to change the day-night cycle, check out our videos on YouTube or sign up for codenerd.io and you'll have an actual teacher show you how to implement that. Oh yeah. We've got a little area here, and this, I believe, opens up, and there's a whole underground section of this map. This is amazing. I can't wait for you to build this out even more and host an event. We've got to get Ariana Grande, or I don't know, what music are you into? We got to get them to come play your Roblox game and play a concert here on the stage. This is awesome. Great job, Zack Studios. You did an amazing job, and I can't wait to see what you add to this and resubmit it because I want to play it again. Awesome job.